What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, home of the #1 stock market and investing channel on all of YouTube. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about a penny stock that I think has 100% upside potential. I've already bought this penny stock. I'm currently long, and I'm looking for a move to the upside. I think it's undervalued, and I think it is going to benefit from the current economic and market conditions that we're facing today. This is a penny stock that's going to benefit from the stay-at-home, work-from-home phenomenon that we're seeing going on. Businesses, they don't want their employees coming into the office. They've learned how to cut back and have their employees work from home, and I think this penny stock we're going to be breaking down today is going to benefit from just that. If you're new to the channel, we talk about the hot stocks in the market every single day, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells. And everybody, do me one big solid favor, and that's go down there, like the button, just start clicking all the buttons. All right, guys, let's break down this penny stock that, in my opinion, I think it has a good 50, 60, even 100% upside potential. I think it's undervalued, and there's a possibility of a big squeeze to take place in the next couple of weeks. Let's break it down. Before we get started, check out the link in the description for Webull. They're offering the Touchdown Trades community 4 free stocks valued up to $3,700. That is literally free money if you use the link in the description. All right, guys, before we get started, there is a 2-week free trial to the private Discord chat and alert server in the description. We've been absolutely crushing it. The last 4 or 5 trades have netted us 50% plus. We'll go over those in a second. And there's also a link in the description and a $50 off coupon to the Touchdown Trades University, which includes lifetime access to the alert server and chat, so check that out as well. So the last 4 or 5 trades that we've done in the private chat have been absolutely nuts. Nordstrom, we made 40 to 50%. Blink, 100% plus. SBE, 40%. CLSK, 100% plus. I mean, we've been absolutely crushing it. CLSK, we called it at 15. It's ran up to like 40 bucks. Blink, we sold it for a huge winner. XPEV, huge winner. And then Neo puts, $1,000 in 15 minutes for me. And then we have Netty, we're still in that one. MVIS, another huge winner. Pola, 80% for the chat in like 2 days. And now we're buying this KOSS. I'm already in. I got 2,000 shares at $295. So check those links out in the description. Let's break down the stock we're going to be talking about is KOSS, Koss Corp. And this is not a stock that I want to be in long term. It's not. I'm going to be honest about that. I'm in this stock for a swing trade because I think the company's fundamentals are lining up with the current market conditions that we're in. Also, we have the chart lining up with that as well, which is looking really good for this stock to make a push to the upside. So just taking a look at the chart, it's looking good, right? We have tons of support here at 270, tons of support. We tested that 270 area one time, failed. Tested again, failed. Tested again, failed. We finally gapped up over it, and now we're kind of consolidating above it. We're setting up, in my opinion, for another move higher. And let's talk about the company. What do they do and why I like the fundamentals and my thesis on this trade. So here is the thesis for this trade. A big survey done by Gaither found that company leaders, big company executives, are saying that they plan to let at least some of their employees, about 80% of these CEOs and executives are saying they're going to let at least some of their employees work remotely, work at home at least part-time. 78% agree that remote working is here to stay for the long term, and I completely agree. Why would these companies force their employees to come into work, have to lease more office space when they can do the same work from home, save the company money, it's more efficient, and you don't have to keep these cubicles, lease these office spaces when you don't have to? Why would you do that? Research has shown that businesses lose $600 billion a year, yes, billion with a B, a year due to workplace distractions, and that remote workers are 35 to 40% more productive than their in-office counterparts. Among performance-based remote work statistics in 2020, 94% of surveyed employers report that company productivity has been the same or higher since employees started working from home. So again, why are you going to be bringing your employees into an office to sit in a cubicle that you have to pay for when they're less efficient, they get less work done, versus them staying at home? You don't have to rent that office space and they're more productive. According to Upwork, 41.8% of American workforce continues to work from home, although an estimated 26.7% will still be working from home all the way through 2021. So we're going to see almost 30% of the U.S. workforce working through home through 2021. I think a lot of these jobs are going to stay at home forever, and this is leading me into why I'm taking this swing trade on KOSS. KOSS, ticker KOSS, is a headphone and headset manufacturer. Now, Kevin, what in the world does this have to do with working from home, you're asking? And why are you swing trading a company that makes cheap headphones and cheap headsets? This is a $20 million company right now. It's never going to be a $1 billion company. I'm aware of that. But I think this can easily be a $40 million company, which is 100% upside. And I don't care about this product. I don't care about this product. And I don't care about this product. What product do I care about? This right here. The work from home stats tie into the CS200 USB headset because I think a lot of older people who are working from home, who want to level up, they aren't going to be able to use microphones like the one I'm using now. They're not going to want to have to deal with that, having to set it up. But they will be able to understand how to plug in this USB headset, put it on your head, and use it, and you're leveling up your audio for Zoom calls, for online meetings, from remote meetings, and for just chatting online with your business associates. And I think Koss can market this headset and really beat their revenue expectations for the next couple of quarters, even for the next couple of years, because there's going to be so many people working from home, so many people needing to level up their audio to get that better crisp audio versus just your internal computer speakers and microphone. And we have this Koss CS200 USB headset and gaming headset, and I think this thing could really take off. We have it available on Amazon, and if Koss does the right marketing, which I hope they're doing, then this thing could really be a boost for this company. It's only $34.99, and it is available on Amazon Prime. If I was Koss, I would be contacting a bunch of social media influencers who are popular with middle-aged working folks, and I would be having them promote this Koss headset. Hopefully, they realize the opportunity that they have on their hands right now, and they're taking advantage of it. You would expect a company would be trying to take advantage of a situation like this. Let's look at the fundamentals, and it gets even better. So, we have a current market cap of only $22 million. Extremely cheap, in my opinion, based on sales of $18 million. I think we can double those sales for the next couple of years due to the influx of people working at home, due to the people needing headsets to level up their audio, and that would put us at like $36 million in revenue. That would give us a price to sales ratio of less than 1. So we have a price to sales ratio less than 1. That's just too cheap in my opinion. And it gets even better. It gets even better, guys. We have a short float of 40%. So everybody had bet on this stock to go down because it ran up pretty good. It ran up, if we take a look at the charts, this guy ran up from under $1 per share, and it just kept going. It just kept squeezing up all the way up to over $2, and you had shorts getting short here, short here, short here. And these guys are trapped. They are trapped short in this company. They didn't foresee people working at home and these Koss headsets becoming more relevant and needed in the workplace. So I think these shorts are trapped, and what happens when short sellers get trapped? They get squeezed, and the stock takes off and starts to run. So I really think this Koss, it has potential to make a big move in the next month or so, and especially if we get some big earnings reports coming out showing my thesis, which is that people working at home, They're going to want headsets that are easy to use, USB style. You plug them in, it's plug and play, and you're good to go. I think it would be very, very easy to get this company up over $50-60 million in revenue. If I was an executive, if I was the CEO of Koss, I would be running ads on YouTube. I would be contacting social media influencers who have a big draw with middle class, average workers, and I would be pushing this Koss. I would be saying, go to Amazon, type in Koss USB headset, hit search, and then you have them coming up. They're fairly cheap. They're good. You have noise cancellation for $30. You have the regular headset for $20. And I think these things would fly off the shelf. Let's talk about my investing plan here on this KOSS. So I'm already in this stock at $295. So I'm in $295. My stop loss is going to be down here under $250. If it holds under $250, I'm going to stop out. My first profit target is going to be up near $360, $370, and then I'll look for the rest over $4 per share. I think we get a break over $4. If this thing starts to push, the shorts who are short, and this thing starts to take off, what are these guys going to do? They're going to stop out of their position. What happens when they stop out? It creates a buying frenzy. We have the people coming in trading the breakout. When it starts to break out, they come in, they buy. It creates a buying frenzy. Then you have the short sellers stopping out, and it just creates a massive short squeeze. And that's what I can see happening in this situation, combined with the demand going up due to people working at home. I see $4 easily happening here on Koss. That's just my opinion. That's not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, and contact an investment professional, a financial advisor. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the video. If you got something from it, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.